Imagine traveling so far into the future that every civilization has vanished, every star has burned out, and every galaxy has faded into darkness. Trillions upon trillions of years have passed. The universe that once blazed with light and activity has become a silent, frozen ocean of emptiness. Yet, even at the end of all things, one question remains. What will be the last remaining thing in the entire universe? At first, the answer might seem obvious. Perhaps a lonely star survives longer than all the others. Perhaps a distant planet drifts unnoticed through the darkness. But the true ending of the universe is far stranger than that. To understand what might remain last, we must first understand how everything else disappears. The universe began nearly 14 billion years ago in the event we call the Big Bang. From an incredibly hot and dense state emerged matter, energy, space, and time. Over billions of years, gravity gathered matter into galaxies. Stars ignited. Heavy elements formed inside stellar cores. Planets emerged. Eventually, life appeared. For a brief moment in cosmic history, the universe became a place of extraordinary complexity. But nothing lasts forever. Every star in existence survives by burning nuclear fuel. Deep inside its core, hydrogen atoms fuse together, releasing enormous amounts of energy. This energy pushes outward against gravity, maintaining the star's stability. Yet the supply of fuel is limited. Even the largest stars eventually exhaust their reserves. Some explode as supernovae. Others collapse into neutron stars. Many become white dwarfs. Regardless of their path, every star eventually dies. The process takes billions or trillions of years, but the outcome is unavoidable. As time continues, fewer new stars form. Galaxies consume the gas needed to create future generations of stars. The brilliant age of starlight gradually fades. One by one, the lights of the cosmos go dark. After unimaginable periods of time, the final stars burn out. The universe enters an era of darkness. At this stage, galaxies still exist, but they no longer shine. They become enormous collections of stellar remnants drifting through space. White dwarfs slowly cool. Neutron stars remain as dense cosmic fossils. Planets wander through the darkness with no suns to illuminate them. Yet even this is not the end. Gravity continues its work. Over vast stretches of time, encounters between objects reshape galaxies. Some remnants are ejected into intergalactic space. Others fall into black holes. Black holes become increasingly important. These extraordinary objects or regions or gravity become so powerful that not even light can escape. Some black holes contain the mass of millions, even billions of stars. They are among the most durable structures the universe can create. For an incredibly long time, black holes may dominate existence itself. As stars disappear and galaxies fade, black holes remain. They consume matter. They absorb radiation. They grow larger while everything else grows weaker. To an observer living in this distant future, black holes may appear eternal, but physics tells a different story. In 1974, Stephen Hawking discovered something remarkable. Black holes are not completely black. Through quantum effects near their event horizons, they slowly lose energy. This process, known as Hawking radiation, causes black holes to evaporate. The larger the black hole, the slower the evaporation. A supermassive black hole may survive for longer than a trillion years. Yet, even these giants eventually disappear, particle by particle, photon by photon. The final black holes evaporate into space. Now the universe becomes stranger than ever before. No stars remain. No planets remain. No galaxies remain. No black holes remain. Only isolated particles scattered across an ever-expanding cosmos. The distances between these particles become enormous. Space itself continues expanding. Matter grows increasingly rare. Interactions become almost impossible. Some theories suggest that protons, the building blocks of atomic nuclei, may not be truly stable. If proton decay occurs, then even the last traces of ordinary matter eventually vanish. Atoms disappear. Nuclei disappear. The familiar substance of reality slowly dissolves. At this stage, the universe approaches maximum entropy. Energy becomes evenly distributed. No meaningful structures remain. No new stars can form. No new galaxies can emerge. Complexity itself becomes impossible. Yet something may still survive. Some physicists believe the last remaining thing in the entire universe could be a single photon, a tiny particle of light traveling endlessly through empty space. Unlike matter, photons may survive indefinitely. They possess no rest mass. They require no fuel. They simply move through space-time forever. Imagine an infinite universe containing nothing but a single photon crossing endless darkness. No stars to illuminate, no planets to strike, no observers to detect it. Just one final remnant of a cosmos that once contained trillions of galaxies. Other theories suggest even photons may eventually disappear. If that happens, reality approaches complete emptiness. No matter, no light, no structures, only the quantum vacuum remains. Yet, even empty space is not truly empty. Quantum fields continue fluctuating. Tiny particles appear and vanish momentarily. The vacuum itself retains a faint echo of existence. Perhaps that vacuum is the last remaining thing in the universe, or perhaps the final survivor is information itself, encoded somehow within the deepest structure of reality. No one knows for certain. What we do know is that the universe is moving toward a future far stranger than anything humanity has ever witnessed. A future where galaxies become memories, stars become ashes, and black holes fade into nothingness. And when every great structure has vanished, when every source of light has gone dark, and when time stretches beyond comprehension, the final remaining thing in the entire universe may be something so small, so lonely, and so mysterious that it serves as the last whisper of a cosmos that once contained everything.